We're going to take a quick look at ratios to prove to you that these are very real things and they actually work. I can measure the height of this, we'll say, and its shadow. This one I can't measure the height of, just the shadow. So, we have a ratio. Height 1 divided by shadow 1 should equal height 2 divided by shadow 2 because the sunlight's same. So, I measure approximately 23.5 for the height of object 1. I measure 31 inches for the shadow of object 1, and when I divide, I get 0.758 approximately. Now, if I measure the shadow of object 2, I get about 49 inches. Really? Okay, 49. If I multiply my equation through by shadow 2, shadow 2 cancels here, now I have it here. So I take my ratio, okay, my original ratio, height 1 to shadow 1, and I multiply it by shadow 2, which was 49 inches. So that's 0.758 times 49 inches, tells me that this should be about 37 inches tall. So we'll verify that. And I got 37 inches tall. So this shows you that ratios are very real things if used properly, and you're going to need to know about ratios and percentages to be an acceptance test technician.
So what other ratios might we be interested in while we are performing acceptance testing? Well, acceptance testing of daylighting systems is going to call for you looking at some ratios and percentages. Here we see an open loop system where the sensor is only viewing an indication of outdoor daylight. And then the controller makes its, quote, best guess, unquote, as to where to put the electric lighting to give us the proper combined illumination in the space. The first thing any open loop controller is going to want you to do is establish a sensor ratio. Because the sensor's looking outside and the system does not know what particular area or spot of interest we have inside the space. So the very first thing that you do when you set up an open loop system is tell the controller what the ratio is of what it is seeing under daylight conditions outdoors versus what it is seeing at a particular spot of interest, a task location, and sometimes the reference location, which is a special task location within the zone illuminated by the control luminaires that we use to do acceptance testing and that commissioning agents use to set up the daylighting system.